nyo, no? You have this key and the door, no? If you see this one, no? Anytime you can open the door, no? But please be silent. Huwag mo munang pagsasabi. Maybe this is your plans in life, no? Your goals, kung whatever it is, may bubuksan ka bang business, something like that, investing, no? Kung ano man itong gusto mong gawin, no, fire sign is sinasabi ng inyong inner self na be discreet, no? Be silent about it, no? Or whatever na makita mo rito sa door na to, once you open that door, whatever na nandyan sa loob, wag mong ipagsasabi muna, right? No? For some of you, no? So, kayo lang din nakakaalam nito kung ano man ito, no? Kung meron kayong mga bagay na sisimulan, mga bagay na naiisip, mga plans, right? Something like that. Wag niyo munang ipagsasabi. Tahimik lang kayo kasi pwedeng masabotahe yan, no? For some of you kasi hindi natin hindi natin masabi. There are people around you na gusto kayong pabagsakin, maybe, or just bang mga hindi totoo sa inyo, di ba? Pwede kayong lokohin, di ba? Something like that, no? So, ayun ang sinasabi ng inyong inner self, no? So, be silent, no? Wag mo nang ipagsasabi. So, that's it. So, another one is dreams, no? For some of you, fire signs, maybe, merong mga message from your dreams, no? Kung makikita mo rito, may mga stars, no? Something like that, no? Maybe, literally, no? Sa mga dreams nyo, there are messages, no? For some of you. Baka kung natatandaan niyo yung mga dreams nyo, pwede nyo yung isulat. And then, pagduktong-duktongin nyo yung mga dreams. Maybe there is a message, no? Na kailangan yung malaman, no? Or for some of you naman, sinasabi rito is keep on dreaming, no? Nothing is impossible, right? No? Basta determined tayo to work for that dreams, right? No? So yeah, keep dreaming lang, no? And work hard for your dreams, no? Something like that. Huwag din laging tulog ng tulog, literally, no? Right? No? So yeah, I hope naka-resonate kayo with this one, no? And last is, anong message sa inyo ni universe, no? From God, no? So, tignan natin, fire signs. So, yeah, kuha tayo dito ng 2 cards again para sa message sa inyo or advice ni universe, no? Fire signs. So, let's see what's your messages, no? So, you have this, the joy